cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another episode of Christmas with Shell. Today I'm doing 5 shabby chic DIYs. I hope you enjoy. My first DIY is this very cute tea light lamp. I picked this up from a local thrift store and it was just $1. Taking it outside, I gave it 2 coats of my favourite Rust-Oleum blush candy pink. Now, taking these pretty foam flowers that I picked up from eBay, I wanted to decorate my little lampshade, so I hot glued them around the bottom.
But the difference this time is that ever since July,
I continued to add the roses right round until the lampshade was complete.
it's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere.
Now, to finalise my pretty little lampshade, I wanted to add one of these decorative angel wings that I picked up from my local dollar store.
Tomorrow
These pretty little wings had a clip on the back and I simply attached them to the front of the lampshade. I then moved on to my second DIY. Now, I had these angel wings mirrors that I picked up from Kmart last year, and I knew they'd be the perfect shape and size for what I had in mind.
the first for me and you.
Again, taking these pretty white flowers that I picked up from eBay, I covered the entire angel wings in roses. I continued to add roses until the angel wings were completely covered.
I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
I then moved on to my next DIY. I took one of these pink cushion covers that I already had, and I wanted to give it a very Christmas festive feel.
We can spend the night.
Taking these pretty pink and white feathered boas from my local dollar store, I flipped over my little cushion cover and I hot glued the entire boa around the cushion.
It is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I want.
Once it was all glued in place, I flipped the cushion over and now I was going to give it a little Santa feel.
The first for me and you.
I'm going to create Santa's belt buckle. So taking some of this black and white striped dollar store ribbon, I cut a piece to size.
In a cabin out in
I then glued it in place into the middle of my cushion.
I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow
I then took some of this dollar store glitter borders, and what we're going to do here, guys, is create the shape of a buckle.
another year went by, but the difference.
Now, it's a really simple DIY, guys. You just simply make a shape of a square.
Happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
You're then going to cut another small little strip and add it to the left-hand side in the middle of your square.
Myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything
I then moved on to my next DIY. While out thrifting recently, I came across this adorable biscuit tin. It was in the shape of a jukebox, and I knew I could bring it home and give it a very shabby look. Taking off the lid, I took the back of the tin outside and again sprayed it my favourite blush candy pink. While it was drying, I used these mini foam flowers from eBay, and I wanted to remove the red on this design, so I hot glued some pink flowers over the top.
And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday.
I continued to add the flowers around until it was complete.
It is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for.
Once it was complete, I then took some of those gold glitter strips again and I glued them over the red. I then took some white mini foam flowers and I went around the top of the jukebox.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by.
I then put my little biscuit tin back together and I absolutely love how it came.
Since July, I've been happier than I have.
Off camera, I also added some of those adorable little dollar store angel wings to the bottom.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
And for my final DIY, I took this dollar store gift box. I took it outside and again sprayed it in blush candy pink. When it was dry, I took my dollar store black and white ribbon and I hot glued it into a cross.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
Once it was glued in place, I then took this printout of Marilyn Monroe and I glued it to the front of the box.
Just us and no one else.
Off camera, I then took some of those little foam flowers and I created a frame around Marilyn.
Tomorrow it is Christmas.
I then took these adorable angel wings that I picked up from Spotlight and I hot glued that to the top of the box. I also glued some foam flowers to the top, as well as the mini ones to the corners.
Underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present.
And for a final decoration, I took these glitter polka dots from my local dollar store and I just stuck them randomly over the box.
The snow is falling down, and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
I absolutely love creating new things for you. I especially love the shabby chic look at the moment, guys, and I truly love this blush candy pink. I just can't get enough of it.
I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
My favourite pastime of all is shopping in thrift stores, finding inexpensive items that I can give a makeover.
Is is that ever since July,
here I took thrift store finds and dollar store items to create these unique looks that anyone could do.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week.
With Christmas fast approaching, these would be inexpensive gift ideas for somebody that absolutely loves blush pink.
Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment.
I absolutely love to decorate with flowers, guys, and I love these ones from eBay. I'll leave a link to everything that I used down below.
Decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
Let me know in the comments down below which was your favourite DIY and which one would you like to recreate.
Under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down.
With Christmas time fast approaching, I wanted to remind you all that yous are all truly wonderful. Us mums tend to go above and beyond, especially at Christmas time. But I wanted to remind you all just to breathe, really enjoy the day, and be surrounded by the family that you love.
I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed another episode of Christmas with Shell.
I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow.
Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home.
In a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas.